A swaying camper can be a frustrating issue, but it's often caused by a few common factors, including uneven weight distribution, underinflated tires, steep roads, and tight turns. To prevent or control camper sway, it's essential to distribute the load evenly, placing around 60% of the weight towards the front of the camper. Securing the load with appropriate straps is also crucial to prevent it from shifting and causing imbalance. Additionally, it's vital to keep the load within the gross combination weight recommended by the manufacturer to ensure balance with the tow vehicle. Driving slowly, ideally at or below the recommended 55 miles per hour towing speed limit, can also help, especially when weather conditions are unfavorable. When approaching turns, gentle maneuvering is key. Regularly inspecting tire pressure is also important, as both underinflated and overinflated tires can cause swaying. Ensuring the tires are at the recommended pressure level is essential. By following these simple tips, you can help prevent or reduce camper sway, making for a safer and more enjoyable towing experience.